What you really want from my nigga? Huh? Huh? What you want? What you want? What you really want from my nigga? What you want? What you really want? What you want, nigga? I'm Reggie Red. Nigga talking get shit to me. You better go get the bed, cause if you don't, I'ma simply put one to your fucking head. I don't give a fuck what I shoot you. I'ma leave your ass land for dead. I'ma leave your ass land for dead. You ain't ready with the flow shit that I get. I told motherfucker, y'all done fucked up. When I come through and I'm here, y'all, yeah, I'm too rough. When I come through, I might hit you and then fuck your slut. I'm just that real, ain't scared to go kill. This is the talking shit. I wish they will. I was trying to do that shit. Get up in my face, my car bag in my pistol. I'ma catch a murder case. These niggas they don't really want it. If I got it, then I blown it. And I don't give a fuck and I tell you every day I stay marijuana. Stay smoked up, stay choked up. All my life, bitch, the total been sober up. You don't understand the shit, I'm a fucking man. When I do what I have to, I do what I can. I do it up to the minute. At the money, I spend it. I don't give a fuck if I start it, then shit, I'ma finish it. That's my name. Don't wild out. Double R coming through, bitch, and run my mouth. I'm running my mouth, cause I can do that shit. Don't give a fuck, I had some shoes. Fuck my feet with it. Had to take them back. Had to get me another pair. Had to get cleaned up. Had to come in and cut my hair. Now I'm smooth. Out of me, I bet you lose. Don't give a fuck you talk about me. Talk, I'm missing a dude, yeah. I'm real shit. I stay real. I come in, man. I peel back your. You don't understand when I'm coming, shit, I be that nigga. And the nigga wanna think he big, he think he bigger. Watch me slice him down to my side. Double R, bitch, watch me while I ride. Straight to the top, I never be back. Niggas want to talk that shit, whine they pig slack. Pull 'em up and be a grown one. I don't give a fuck. You talking about I'm on one, I'm on two. Shit, fuck you. Don't give a fuck, I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'ma come in your house, I'm gonna take everything. If I hear a motherfucking talking, I'ma bang bang. I'ma shut him up quickly, cause I be so sickly. And I told y'all when I come through, got my goons with me. They chillin' in the back, ready to act. Yeah, if you don't want that, I don't give a fuck, I told y'all, I say I'm on it, I want it, you suck it. I told you I put your ass in the motherfucking bucket. Cause records when I come, cause niggas talking dumb shit. I told you when I come, I'm gonna kill your mom, bitch. So what the fuck you run about? For what you crunching on? Don't give a fuck, and I told y'all, if you want it, then bring it on. With a grown ass man, then that I'm alive. Don't give a fuck, and I told you when I beat you, have a slide. I give you two, you get one bag. When I come through, and I told you, if I want it, then I snatch it, grab it. You stupid ass bastard, don't give a fuck, deadly. Wrap you up in plastic. What the fuck you ask for? And then you got it. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I straight go wild it. I give it up. Money in my pocket, give it up. You can't stop it, give it up. Ha. Give it up. Give it up. You need to give it up. You need to give it up. You need to give it up. Double R from me and bitch, yeah, I'm sober up. I don't give a fuck. You get your ass fucked up. I don't give a fuck. Like I said, I don't really do much. I sit and chill all day. This nigga talking shit to me and me the back of my way. Cause if you don't fuck with your memories I play. I don't give a fuck when I pull from my ways. I just started, won't stop. Just block the top. These niggas talking shit, they trying to watch, trying to see my next move, trying to bust my fucking groove. I don't give a fuck when I pull my fucking tune. I'ma use it, wanna abuse it. I sit and listen to the music. I don't give a fuck, and I told y'all if I want it, then I jack it. I'm immaculate. I'm so real. Niggas talking shit. I'm so trill. They don't even know how ruthless God is. Jesus motherfucker. Where that nigga live? You get that motherfucker? I'ma get them motherfuckers. I'ma get them motherfuckers. I'ma get 'em.